Hey y'all, welcome back to Everyday Mama. I'm Leanne, and today I'm in the kitchen showing you how we make our Smart Smoothie. Let's get started. Here are the ingredients we use to make our Smart Smoothie. We use some fruit, frozen blueberries and strawberries, and a banana. Organic spinach, some carrots, celery, and cucumbers, a little bit of ice water, some Greek yogurt. You can have this be flavored or not. Almonds, ground cinnamon, raw organic honey, and a couple drops of doTerra's lemon oil. These daily smoothies are very healthy for our family and help keep our brain awake in the afternoon. It's even easy enough for a child to make it. So Wyatt, are you here to help me today?
Yes.
First thing we're going to do is pour in the ice water. Next, we're going to pour in the frozen fruit. It's about a cup of mixed fruit. Then we're going to put in the banana. We do not freeze our bananas because frankly I forget to. But having the frozen blueberries plus the ice water really helps to make this a really cold, refreshing smoothie. Then we'll put in our spinach. The ratio for this smoothie should be half greens, half fruit. Will you go ahead and put in the carrots and celery? Having your children help you with this will get them more invested in it, and it helps them to want the drink more, and it gets those fruits and vegetables in that they may not want to eat on their own. Almonds are great for brain health, so we go ahead and put in a little bit of those. Next, we're going to put in our Greek yogurt. That gives it its creaminess and helps thicken up the smoothie. Then we put in honey, and raw organic is the best kind here. There are so many immune fighting properties in honey, and you want to get that in every day, and a little bit of cinnamon on top. Perfect. We also use doTerra's lemon essential oil, and we will put 1 drop in, and it gives it a refreshing lemony flavor, but it also is helping build our immune system up, especially during flu season. Very good, thank you.
You're welcome.
Doesn't that look beautiful, guys? I mean, it's got our fruit, our greens, yogurt. It's gonna taste amazing. It's gonna get in a lot of our nutrients for today and give us energy in the afternoon. After you've put the lid on, which has the blade attached, you can go ahead and put the glass that you're working with up on the Nutribullet. And you can do this in any blender. We find that our Nutribullet pulverizes the ingredients faster, and we really love the consistency it gives us. Now we're gonna turn it on and blend it up. And it's ready to drink. So let's pour it into our mason jars. Are you ready? Mm-hmm. Now that it's all blended, oh, that looks so delicious. And now fill up our mason jars. And the good thing about this is if you can't drink this right now, you can actually make this the night before and take it to work with a closed mason jar, or these Nutribullet containers actually come with lids so that you can take it on the go. But we enjoy it in a frozen mason jar. It makes it that much more refreshing. Can you put the straws in for us? All right, let's do a taste test. You first, buddy.
All right.
You want that one?
Mm-hmm. This is delicious.
Is it so good?
Mm-hmm.
Oh, I can't wait to have mine. Thanks for watching, and until next time, wishing you lots of simplicity, progress, and joy.